from one seed to the healthy edible oil. It seems like a simple process. Huatai Group has gone through more than 30 years. More than 30 years. It is the original intention to stick to the edible oil industry. More than 30 years. It is a perseverance to take every first step. More than 30 years. It is the ingenuity to achieve the ultimate in simplicity. More than 30 years. It is a habit of perfecting equipment and manufacturing process. Only for pushing the industry forward by every breakthrough.
华泰被国家工信部授予国家重点专精特新小巨人企业，走过30多年发展的今天，我们更关注的是如何推动整个行业走向更良性的发展，让节能、健康、绿色成为技术的突破方向，为世界、为人类的生命健康做出更大的贡献。
Making all imagination to be possible. That is an ambitious target which Huatai people have studied more than 30 years. Green and health define the development in the future. As a manufacturer of complete set of cereals and oils machinery, the advanced equipment and oil production solutions represents the development direction of the future. Huatai sets a sample in the industry with its innovation, R&D, production, sales, and service. During more than 30 years of development, Huatai people believe that time is just the challenges. It is also the necessary step to achieve the bright future, to produce the good quality products, shall withstand the test of time. Work hard on the product, stick to the product, creatively work on the product, care for the customers, products, and services. This is the focus and long-term persistence of Huatai. Relying on the independent intellectual property rights, Huatai customized the leading international intelligent production line and built a modern plant with 100,000 square meters and 8 large-scale modern intelligent processing workshops. Huatai has been sticking to the core technology and fine manufacturing and constantly launched the products with independent intellectual property rights. The overall green cycle technology solution, self-developed by Huatai, provides the best practice path for the quality, health, and safety of edible oil in the world.
毫厘之间的旅程，从实验室的攻坚克难到零差错走下生产线，不是每一家企业都能完成。
Innovation, upgrading, R&D, and even breakthrough. And break the shackles in the ultimate pursuit of technology and production. As a scientific and technological enterprise, Huatai regards the innovation as the longitude, scientific research pursuit of green and healthy as altitude to build its leverage. Established National Grain Administration High-Tech Oil Industry R&D Production Base. Zhengzhou Technology R&D Center, Shanghai Technology R&D Center, Postdoctor Innovation Practice Base, and works closely with Wuhan Polytechnic University, Henan University of Technology, Zhengnan University, and many well-known universities. Make the top wisdom constantly collide with new achievement in scientific research, which will decide the distance for Huatai to find manufacture of the healthy cereals and oils production equipment, and also fix the fulcrum of Huatai Group to occupy the market in the future. From R&D and manufacture of the quality machinery to leading the overall solution in cereals and oils production field, Huatai Group steps forward to the scale. Quality, refinement around the full chain model of in cereals and oils equipment industry, and constantly launches the Intelligent Oils Factory, Intelligent Integrated Sewage Treatment Equipment, Intelligent Integrated Ethylene Oxide Sterilizer, Green Cycle Overall Solution, and other services. Now Huatai Group has established the stable and long-term cooperation with many well-known enterprises, such as Kafco Group, Luhua Group, Shiwang Group, Yihai Carry, Alpha Laval, and so on. Hundreds of projects for the intelligent oils engineering and solution application. Inject the strong power for the development of Huatai. Advantages just mean to make more efforts than others. Therefore, Huatai is always on the way of getting better. Huatai Group understands well the importance of health for every life. So it is committed to sharing the quality and efficient products with more people. Under the Belt and Road Initiative, Huatai products and application solutions have been implemented in every 60 countries and regions, and more than 20 overseas offices have been established. Huatai with clients together continuously presents more healthy and safe cereals and oils products for the world, and be the core power of guarding human health. Every innovation during equipment manufacturing and every effort to improve product quality are rewarded to Huatai as below. Ranking among the top in China, the leading enterprise of national cereals and oils machinery industry, the outstanding member unit of Chinese Cereals and Oils Association, the National Specialty and New Key Little Giant Enterprise, the National Green Factory, the National Technology Innovation Demonstration Enterprise, the National High-Tech Enterprise, the China Patent Award. The honors only belong to the past. Huatai believes that the efforts and innovation are the driving force to develop the enterprise. It is just this point which makes Huatai widely recognized and praised. Huatai in today, with its own advantages in technology and scientific research, has formed a strong structure in 4 fields of Huatai Cereals and Oils Machinery, Huatai Environmental Engineering, Angel Medical Instruments, and Huatai Agriculture.
我们要做的事业是对未来负责的事业，对技术的敬畏和未来的坚定，我们不会改变。以往的华泰更执着于讲产品、讲技术，而当下和未来，我想我们在产品技术之上，应该讲好华泰下一个30年的品牌故事。
Huatai people will not be bound by the current results, but will strive to chase higher goals. Huatai, as a leading manufacturer, will continue supplying the better products for the clients at domestic and abroad. Huatai prefers to convey greetings from China to the world and guards a healthier future for life. Huatai Intelligent Equipment Group.